The Ant and the Grasshopper.
In a field one summer's day, a grasshopper was chirping and singing to its heart's content. An ant passed by, bearing along with great toil an ear of corn he was taking to the nest. "Why not come and chat with me," said the grasshopper, "instead of toiling and moiling in that way?" "I am preparing food for the winter," said the ant, "and recommend you to do the same." But the grasshopper didn't listen. When the winter came, the grasshopper had no food and found itself dying of hunger, while it saw the ants distributing every day corn and grain from the stores they had collected in the summer. Then the grasshopper knew it is best to prepare for days of need.